Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this Realme 9 smartphone, and in this video we would like to share the best display settings to change on this device. So let's go ahead and start. First we will open up the settings and go to the display and brightness category. And the first section of it that we would like to share with you is called screen color mode, and as you could already guess from its name, it allows you to change what will the colors of your interface and overall display look like. On the top of the page we have very convenient pictures for us to understand how the colors that we have chosen will look exactly, so like the preview pictures. 3 modes to choose from: Vivid, Natural or Pro mode. Once Pro mode is activated, there are also 2 additional modes, or should I say sections, presets that we can choose from. As you can see, I'm altering them, and the colors at the preview picture are changing respectively. And right below, we are also able to regulate the screen color temperature from cool to warm. The next setting is called Eye Comfort mode, and once enabled, it reduces the excessive amounts of blue light and therefore prevents your eyes from being immensely tired and reduces eye fatigue drastically. Here we are able to first of all set up some schedule for this mode to be automatically turned on or respectively turned off. As it was with the screen color mode, there is also the bar that allows us to regulate the screen color temperature, which is basically the intensity bar for this effect. So from cool to warm. Alrighty, let me get back to the eye comfort. And there is also an opportunity to switch the interface to the black and white mode, and it reduces the, as you can see, as it's written in the description of this preset, that it further reduces the intensity of the bright colors and makes everything look black and white basically, or grayish should I say. Alrighty, so we are moving on to the next setting, which is the screen refresh rate. It is located right here. There are 3 values to choose from: standard, high and auto select. So basically the higher you go, if you go for the high value of 90 Hz, you'll get the smoother screen refresh rate, smoother animations and overall visual experience. But if you go for the 60 Hz of standard screen refresh rate, it will grant you with longer battery life, so your device will run longer on a single battery charge. Or once the auto select is on, it will automatically switch between those modes, basically in accordance with the current state of your battery, or decide what will be the best screen refresh rate for some particular app, as it is written in the value description. The next effect that we would highly recommend, or should I say setting that we would highly recommend that you try changing, is the screen display, and it has 2 features to regulate, 2 functions to regulate. Either how will be the top part of your screen look like the zone where you have the selfie camera. So you can either go with the variant when the selfie camera will be shown and everything around it will be the solid part of the screen, or you can just black out all this zone as it is at the second variant. So hide from the camera or show from the camera. Here we are able to regulate or should I say switch between these 2 displayment modes for each particular app individually, as you can see. And as for right now, all the apps that are installed on my device, they have the auto adapt feature, which will automatically adapt the screen in accordance with some app characteristics or settings. And there is also the second function, that the screen display category of display and brightness setting allows us to regulate or adjust this, how the screen will look or should I say the apps will look in full screen mode, so either on or off. And by tapping on the full screen display by app, we would be also able to regulate the displayment mode for each particular app. But since I do not have any apps in here, that means that all the applications that are installed on my device, they do support the full screen mode by default, so there is nothing to configure basically. Alrighty, and the final setting that I would highly recommend that you try changing is located not at the display and brightness section, but at the home screen and lock screen. And it's basically a very simple switch. Double tap to lock. Once enabled, you will be able to double tap on any vacant space you have on any of your home screens, and therefore lock the phone without having to necessarily pressing the power on physical button. So you can just lock your phone like that. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found it helpful or interesting, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye!